Another video, sorry about the glare. So this is a 70 litre Aquastar. The lights are stop lights, which always get condensation in them and F out. So we have a breeding pair of parrotfish here, but the male is infertile, so they'll never actually have fry. So they just lay eggs and then they eat them, or I come and destroy the nest, which they don't like, and they bite me.